Hi there. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create translations for the XStore using the Loco Translate plugin and pre-created language files. Stay connected with our community by subscribing to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram channels, and visit our website for more helpful tips and tricks on using the XStore theme. Before beginning your own translation, it is recommended to check the pre-created language files for the XStore theme and core plugin. These files have been provided by our customers, so the number of translated strings may differ. We keep these translations updated on our GlotPress project, the link to which can be found in the video description. To export a translation file for the XStore, navigate to XStore WooCommerce theme, Translations. Select the desired language and scroll down the page. Click on Export to download the file with a PO extension to your computer. It is important to rename this file as XStore theme suffix with your language code PO, as shown in the video. The same process should be repeated for the core plugin. If you are unable to find the desired language in the list of available pre-created files, please refer to our video on how to translate the theme and core plugin from scratch or consult our documentation for step-by-step instructions. Next, we will install and activate the Loco Translate plugin. To do this, navigate to Dashboard, Plugins, search for the plugin. Then proceed to install and activate it. Now, it's time to upload our translation files. Go to Loco Translate, Themes, select XStore. Select the option to upload PO. Next, select the location for your translation files. This can be either custom or system. It's important to note that choosing author location may cause your translations to be lost upon updating the theme or plugin. Once you have made your selection, upload the relevant file. The translator window will open automatically. Next, press the Sync button to synchronize the uploaded translation with the current xstore.pot file on your website. Save the changes. Then you can find and translate strings for which no translation has been added or change an existing translation. The next step is to add the translation for the core plugin in the same way. Go to Loco Translate Plugins, then select the plugin and upload the PO file. Synchronize the translation and save the changes. In order for the translation to take effect and for us to see the result on the front end, the language of the uploaded translation must be selected in Dashboard, Settings, Site Language. Some strings need to be translated through theme options, for example, Header Builder, Newsletter Element. To avoid problems with untranslated strings, it is recommended to synchronize translations by clicking the Sync button after each theme update. If you have any questions or need assistance, please visit our support and our dedicated team will be happy to help you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing XStore theme and join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube.